25. Status check.
Go Atlas. Go Centaur.
Go CLIO. 20.
Still good to go.
15.
Watch the rocket.
T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Atlas ignition.
There it goes.
We have liftoff of the Atlas V rocket carrying the CLIO spacecraft for Lockheed Martin Space Systems.
Wait for the sound, and then eventually the rumbling coming across here. You'll hear it.
You are hearing the voice of Marty Malinowski providing launch vehicle ascent data. Let's listen in for mission progress.
Vehicle pitch program has begun. Very small attitude disturbances.
There comes the sound and the rumbling. £900,000 of thrust.
Your engine continues to warm up. Pitch buttons now 90 zero angle attack face effect. Speeds and trajectory pressures look good. Mach 1.
79 seconds into the launch is when it breaks. Mach 1, sound barrier.
Quadrants continue to look very good.
There you go.
Engine operation is looking very good. Current altitude is 9.84 miles. Downrange distance 5 miles. Current velocity is 1900.
It's moving. There you go. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of NASA, we thank you for being here today. Thank you, United States government, for that launch. Whatever the CLIO satellite is, it's hopefully going to do its job. Aren't you glad you waited? Are you glad you waited? Okay, cool. All right. Please, again, ladies and gentlemen, please return.